Hey Springfield, did you know that you have the opportunity to get a quality education right in your backyard? Follow me and I'll show you around. So your first stop is going to be at the welcome desk. If you have questions about where you need to go, where your classes are, you're meeting with admissions, you need IT help, or if you're just curious what events we have going on at the center today, we have a friendly face behind us that can help you out. Did you know that you can get a nursing degree from Ball State in as little as 2 years? Our nursing faculty work with you, help get you those skills so that way you're ready to walk out of here and land that dream job. Aside from nursing, there are other programs that you can go into, like entrepreneurship, emergency medical services, business, and other general studies. Welcome to the Library and Learning Commons. This is where you'll go if you need to have anything printed out. We got free printers for students. If you need to do any research, if you need to work on homework, have a quiet study space. It's also where you'll come if you need help with any of your classes. We have free tutoring for all of our students. Guess what? This courtyard is here for you to come outside, do some studying, hang out with friends, and enjoy the sounds of nature. So that wraps up our tour. Whenever you're ready to become a pioneer, the first step is heading to ballstate.edu and filling out that application. If you have any questions, you can also find our contact info there. But I'll see you later.